Welcome to the session on assembly. In this session we are going to see the sectioning and conversion of this section into 2D drawings. We have the assembled view of machine wise here. Now we'll go to the reference plane and we'll activate the reference plane. Now to take the section, we'll be going for the PMI. Select the section and select the bottom surface of this. So this surface you can select. It is getting converted into this way. So to remember, we have to cut this part. So start with the rectangle. From here till here, you get this rectangle on this side. Written like this. Inside portion we want to cut. So go this, place it, then cut only selected part, then cut body, then you can cut movable jaw, then jaw grip you can cut, and remaining there is no need to cut, like the screws, spindles, screw rod we can cut. Then we can cut the clamping plate as well, and 3D like this we are getting it. Finish it. So we have cut the things like this, and if you see the front view of this, we are getting it in this way. So what we have to do, we have to fix this as a front view, change it to the isometric. Now you go to file, go to create drawing, just say OK, just click on the next button, click on the front view, see the custom view of this. This is what we require. Just close this, select the top view, select one of the assembled 3D view and finish it. Place it on the planes. You have got like this. Now go to the sheet 1, sheet setup, make it A4 sheet, click OK, go to view, background sheet, click on the A4 sheet, remove this background, delete this, again go to view, uncheck background, get the things properly fit on the paper, fit this. So this is little bit larger, we can convert it by selecting the appropriate scale value. Say I am making it as 0.35 like this. Now you have to click on the right or the front view. You have to click on the front view and you have to go to the properties, go to general first, check this auto volume on next update, say OK. Again you right click, go to properties, go to display, uncheck this hidden edge style, go to text color, change the text type to Arial, section you activate it, OK. Click here, right click on the front view, update the view. You have got all the things here. Now 9 parts. All have been shown here. Select all of these. Just convert them into numbers by clicking on this option, item count. So 9 parts you have got in the assembly. So once you do this, you have to create the part list. To create the part list, you have to go to this option, part list, click on this, click on the front view and say finish. You will be getting the part list here. Again, right click on the part list, go to properties, size, placement, general. In general, you change the font, that is to Arial. Then font size you can change it to 3 mm. Then placement and size you don't have to change. Columns, we don't want these document numbers. Remove this. Column types, okay. Just say okay on this. You have got this table here. You have got all the parts. Save this as drafting of section of assembly or section assembly. Save this. You can see all the things what you have got here. Thank you.